In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a lead in Salesforce, effectively transforming it into an account, contact, and opportunity. This is an essential skill for any Salesforce user, allowing you to streamline your sales process and manage your leads efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to access the app launcher within Salesforce. This tool helps you navigate between different areas of the platform. From the app launcher, select the Leads tab. This is where you'll find all your current leads and initiate the conversion process. If you're not familiar with the app launcher, don't worry, it's usually located at the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you've accessed your leads, the next step is to locate the specific lead record you wish to convert. Click on the lead's name to open the detailed record. This record contains all the vital information related to the lead, giving you a snapshot of the current status before you proceed with the conversion. With the lead record open, look for the Convert button. This feature is commonly found in the top right corner of the lead record page. Clicking this button will initiate the conversion process and guide you to the conversion window. Remember, this step is crucial as it transitions your lead into the next stage of the sales pipeline. In the conversion window, you will encounter your first decision point, whether to create a new account for the lead or attach it to an existing one. This decision should be based on the lead's background and your organization's existing data. If the lead is associated with a business that is already in your system, attaching it to an existing account might be more efficient. Next, you'll need to complete any necessary details in the conversion window. This includes providing accurate contact information and ensuring that the opportunity details align with your sales process. Make sure to double check this information for accuracy, as it sets the foundation for future interactions with this contact. At this stage, you'll also decide on the creation of an opportunity. You may choose to generate a new opportunity, link the lead to an existing one, or opt not to create any opportunity at all. This choice depends mainly on the lead's potential and how you plan to proceed with them in your sales cycle. Finally, once you've filled in all the details and carefully reviewed your selections, click the Convert button to finalize the process. This step is where you commit the record changes, moving your lead into a contact, and potentially creating an account and opportunity. By following these steps, you'll have successfully converted a lead in Salesforce, paving the way for more organized and effective sales management. Remember, efficient data handling in Salesforce not only helps in tracking leads, but also enhances your ability to close deals faster. Thanks for watching and happy converting.